You think snoring is just a harmless noise you, or someone you love, makes at night? Well, think again. Because what we're about to reveal could be the most important 5 minutes you spend today. This isn't just about annoying your partner or disrupting your roommate's sleep. This is about what's really happening inside your body. And some of it is downright terrifying. Let's dive into 5 shocking facts about what happens when we snore and why you should never ignore it again. Fact number 1. Your brain suffers. Every night, when you snore, especially loud or frequent snoring, it's often a sign of something called sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during the night. Now, here's the kicker. Every time your breathing stops, your brain is momentarily starved of oxygen. Over time, this oxygen deprivation can actually lead to brain cell damage. Yes, actual physical damage. Studies show that long-term snorers can have reduced cognitive function, memory loss, and even higher risks of dementia. So if you've been blaming brain fog on just a rough night's sleep, it might be more serious than you think. Fact number 2. Your heart is working overtime. Every snore puts your heart on high alert. Each pause in breathing triggers a spike in blood pressure and heart rate as your body scrambles to get oxygen. It's like running a marathon while lying still. Over time, this nightly stress can lead to hypertension, irregular heartbeats, and even heart disease. And here's something chilling. People with sleep apnea are up to 4 times more likely to experience a stroke or heart attack. So that harmless snore, it could be your heart's silent cry for help. Fact number 3. You age faster. Seriously. Want to look and feel younger? Then fix your snoring. Fast. Snoring disrupts your REM sleep, the stage of sleep when your body heals and regenerates. This is when your skin cells repair, your immune system resets, and your hormones rebalance. But if you're snoring all night, your body's natural healing process gets cut short. The result? Premature aging, lower testosterone, weakened immunity, and even weight gain. Yes, snoring can literally make you age faster. Fact number 4. Your partner's health declines. 2. Think your snoring only affects you? Think again. Studies show that partners of chronic snorers lose an average of an hour of sleep per night. That's 7 hours a week, over 350 hours a year. Gone. Poor sleep can lead to mood swings, weakened immunity, anxiety, and even depression. So you're snoring? It's not just noise, it's a relationship stressor and a shared health issue. In fact, snoring is one of the top 5 non-infidelity reasons couples sleep in separate rooms. Ouch. Fact number 5. Your life expectancy can drop. Here's the most shocking fact of all. Untreated sleep apnea can shorten your lifespan by up to 10 years. Yes, a full decade. Why? Because every system in your body, your brain, your heart, your metabolism, relies on quality sleep to function properly. And chronic snoring is often a bright red flag that something is very wrong. Ignoring it isn't just inconvenient, it could be life-threatening. So, what can you do about it? See a sleep specialist. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back. Lose a little weight if needed. It really helps. Avoid alcohol before bed. And don't underestimate the power of a CPAP machine. It could literally save your life. You owe it to yourself and your loved ones to take your snoring seriously. Because behind that sound, your body might be begging you to wake up before it's too late. Did one of these facts surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who need this info. Share this with a snorer in your life. You might just save them. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that can truly change your life. Hit that bell icon because your health journey starts here. And we're with you every step of the way.